Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay and you are watching our YouTube channel Lockdown Diaries. Our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi said, Atmanirbhar baniye. That means be self-dependent. And with that philosophy, I am making this video.
यही रास्ता है आत्मनिर्भर भारत।
ये लॉकडाउन डायरी क्या नाटक है रे? मोदी जी ने बोला आत्मनिर्भर बनने का तो बनने का, पागल है क्या? चल।
आत्मनिर्भर भारत।
Year 2020. The whole year was struggling through the COVID-19 pandemic. And we were afraid to go outside of the house. It's been almost 1 year that whenever we are going outside of the house, we are sanitizing our hands after touching anything. The vegetables and the fruits what we brought in our house, what we are doing is we are using some kind of these vegetable cleaner or which has multiple chemicals just like sodium benzoate, sodium glutamate, potassium sorbate, EDTA, and citric acid and another additive flavors. We do not know what these chemicals can harm onto our internal organs, what these chemicals can do with our body. So it's not a good idea to use these chemicals in our foods and vegetables. What I was thinking is, this is a Philips 11 watts 8 inches of a UV tube light. It works on 254 nanometers, and this UVC band of the UV tube light is capable to kill virus, bacteria, molds and any another fungus. So I was thinking to make a device using these UVC lamps which are capable to kill even COVID virus. So I was searching online, and these devices are already existing, sold by Godrej and other famous brands, but they are costing as whooping amount as 10k. Yes, 10k. I'm not making it up. You can go and check on Amazon. So it is a very basic concept. These UVC lights emits the UVC band of ultraviolet C band of radiations which has a wavelength of 254 nanometers. So I was thinking just fit these tube lights in such kind of boxes and operate and sterilize the devices just like our mobile phones, just like our smartphones and remotes. You might be knowing it, or if you don't know, then it will be a shocking news for you that after the gutters, the most dangerous and the bad things are our mobile phones and the remotes. The maximum amount of virus and bacteria are lying onto these devices because we are not cleaning them or sanitizing them regularly. Just leave the COVID-19 pandemic. If you are going to make these devices and use it on a daily basis, you may be able to kill the bacteria and other viruses which are known, and you can save your body getting ill. So let's start the assembly. So I have taken this kind of a plastic container, and this container has a rating of 5 and it is food safe. So we can keep our food items into this container, into this fiber container. The lid what it has, I have this one, I have make the holes, 4 holes here for the UV light and 2 holes here, so that these chokes connections, these connectors can go inside the box like this, where I will be able to give the connection or hand off to my UV tube. So as it is a transparent and these UV lights are dangerous for the eyes and skin, what I'm going to do is I will be painting it from inside with this kind of a spray paint, and I'll make it something like this. This reflective surfaces will help with the maximum utilization of the UV lamps. I'm making this one for mobile phone and remotes, and these big box or big plastic container UV sterilizer for vegetables and fruits. So this is the spray what I am using. Before using this spray, you have to use the mask and gloves. I'm just showing you a layer how I can do it, and after that I'll paint this box outside of my house. So it is like, shake it well and like this. Let me go outside of my house and come back after painting these box. Using two side tapes, I'm sticking the UV choke onto the lid of the container. Now I'm sticking the UV tube using the two side tapes inside the lid of the container. Now I'm fastening the UV tube using a wire or a thread. The terminals of the UV tube with the terminals of the choke. In the earlier process, now I'm going to fix the UV tube inside the box. It is the second UV tube. The first one is on the lid of the box. Let's join both the choke and connect them with the main power wire. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps for making the mobile and accessory UV sterilizer. Enjoy the Go Corona music.